back to the Turbo Josh YouTube channel. Today we're going to haul some wood, and we're also going to do a video that was requested by a subscriber on how to actually shift the mini Jeep. It's a pretty straightforward process, but he does have a point. Some people that either don't own them or maybe just bought them could probably use a refresher, or people researching the Jeep might want to know this before they buy the Jeep. I don't know. So we're going to do it. We're going to do that, and we're going to haul some wood with the wagon that attaches at the bottom with a little anchor we have down there. And let's go ahead and get the wagon loaded up. All right, I'm referring to the shifters. So to shift up and down, you go up to go from 3, 2, 1, neutral, reverse. You go down to go from first, second, third, so on and so forth. So right now we're in first gear.
I can get my loser.
Now we're pulling the wagon. Let me see the video camera. When you shift, we're in first gear. Now we're in second gear. Go down. Now we're in third gear. Second gear. Now I'll show you how to go through all the other options of gears. All right, we're in neutral. You go up. Now you're in reverse. Go down. That's neutral. Go to first gear. Go down. Second gear. Go down. Third gear. Go down. Now I want first gear to start off. Now we're in first gear.
I'm recording.
First gear to second gear, down. Second gear to third gear, go down. It's on. We don't have to get the gear indicator anymore. We already showed them that.
Guys, I'm gonna love it. Hello. Yeah, that's my sister.
Go ahead and cut the video. Now it's time to go off-road.
Off-road?
Yep, off-road.
I've done this before with you. This is where the graveyard is down here. There's a graveyard down here. Yeah,
Alright. Record the wagon.
Oh no, it's attached.
You already lost it? Alright.
Yeah, we lost the lot.
It's kind of weatherproof.
Wait, it's waterproof?
Are you recording?
Yeah.
Alright, we're going to shift into third. Go down. Second to third. Alright, cut. I'll also be on Landon's YouTube channel, Epic. They've seen you 5 times. You're fine. We will see you next time. Goodbye.
Bye.